how to convert PNG to and from other formats in Pixillion. Add your files to Pixillion, then select the ones you want to convert. Choose PNG in the Convert to File dropdown and click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert to and from PNG in Pixillion. Start by adding your files to Pixillion. You can drag and drop them into the program window or click Add Files to browse and select them manually. Select the files you want to convert by clicking Select All to highlight everything in the list, or hold the Ctrl key while selecting individual files. Open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose PNG as the output format. To convert PNG files into other formats, add your PNG files first and select your desired output format from the same menu. Click Set Output Folder to choose where the converted files will be saved. Open compression settings to adjust PNG options, including compression and interlace settings. Click Save to apply your settings. When ready, click Convert to start the conversion process. After conversion is complete, click Open Output Folder to view your converted files. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.